so now we are at Marina South Pier. Currently right now what I'm using is a shallow diver from Duo. Roughly it goes about 3 meters. What to take note when you start luring? Firstly, the species of fish that you are targeting, how they are built, how they hunt, their preferred food choice. Secondly, the terrain that you are fishing plays a part as well. Okay, so basically, the fish you are targeting and the terrain that you are fishing at determines what lure you use. As you can see from this video, I am in Marina South Pier. Okay, my target species is grouper. Okay, so the terrain here is very rocky. There are a lot of corals, there are rocks, there are barnacles. Yeah, there are a lot of structures around here. So groupers usually tend to prowl around the shallow reefs to hunt for food. So what they usually prey for is crustaceans, squids, octopus, even fishes. So I mean, but their preferred food choice will be crustaceans, as they are slower in nature and they are easier to hunt. Okay, why I use a shallow diver? Okay, firstly, it's to prevent my lures getting stuck in between the rocks because of the buoyancy. Divers will float, so after you hit something, you let it float, then I mean the chances of you snagging will be way lesser than using a jig or rubber and all these type of things. So I mean, it's the preferred choice for me to hunt for groupers. Secondly, why I use the diver, it's because the diver mimics the crab. When the shells of crabs brush against the rock, you'll have this knocking sound, similar to when your lure touches the rock. So that's why the diver is my preferred choice of lure to use for groupers. Okay, so now in this video you'll see me hitting one using a shallow diver. There's a gimbal. Oh no, tilapia. Tilapia. The one that you saw just now. Hey, Tio! Whoa! Yeah. As you can see, now it's choppy and it's windy. Something thick.